Hello everyone, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing my channel. Today I am here with one unique app which can bring motion on your photos. There are a lot of apps to create photo motion, but this one I think is the best one. So let's check out this app. I have this beautiful waterfall photo here. Let's bring motion to this waterfall. After opening this photo inside the app, you can see many tools on the bottom of the app. I'll use only two tools to create motion effect: sequence and mask tool. By sequence tool, you can select the area where you want to bring motion, and you can cut out the other areas by mask tool. It will take some time to do this. Don't worry, I'll make it fast. It's completed, so let's play out this with sound effect. You can check out this app on Play Store just by clicking the link below this video. And thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.